I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Zebra printer to a tablet. First, ensure both devices are fully charged or connected to power. Turn on your Zebra printer and make sure its Bluetooth radio is enabled. You'll typically see a blue light or an indicator on the printer's display. Keep the tablet within a range of about 10 meters for optimal connection. Next, open your tablet settings and navigate to the Bluetooth menu. Scan for available devices, and your Zebra printer should appear in the list, often identified by its model number. Select the printer and, if prompted, enter the default pairing PIN, which is commonly 4 zeros or 1234. Confirm the connection on both devices. Once paired, you'll need a dedicated printing application or driver. Visit your tablet's app store and search for the official Zebra Utilities app or a compatible third-party printing solution. Install the application, then open it to configure your printer settings. This step ensures your tablet can properly communicate and send print jobs to the Zebra device. Finally, perform a test print to confirm the connection. Most printing apps offer a test page option. If printing fails, double-check that Bluetooth is active on both devices and that they remain within a close range, ideally within 3 to 5 meters. Restarting both the printer and tablet can often resolve minor connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.